In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to input the current date in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing your personal schedule, tracking deadlines, or maintaining other time-sensitive information, knowing how to accurately and efficiently enter the current date into your Google Sheets is essential. Luckily, Google Sheets offers a couple of straightforward methods to achieve this, and I'll guide you through both options. Let's first explore the keyboard shortcut method, which is perfect for those who desire a simple and permanent entry. To use this method, you simply need to press Ctrl and the semicolon key simultaneously. Instantly, this will insert the current date into the selected cell. What's great about this shortcut is that it gives you a fixed date entry, which means it remains unchanged regardless of any future updates or activities in your sheet. This is ideal when you're looking to create a timestamp or need to mark a specific date for records or documentation. Now, let's discuss the second method, which involves using a formula. Here, you'll use the today function by typing equals today, followed by open and close parentheses in a cell. As you type, remember it's all in uppercase, equals today, with parentheses directly after. This method is dynamic and flexible. However, it comes with an important characteristic. The date will automatically update. Depending on your sheet's settings, the date may refresh either every minute, every hour, or each time any change is made within your Google Sheet. This automatic updating is beneficial if you're working on ongoing projects or need your spreadsheet data to always reflect the current date without manual updates. Now that you know both methods, let's talk about when each is most applicable. The keyboard shortcut is invaluable when you need a date to remain static, such as when marking when an action was taken or recording a deadline in its finality, because it won't change as time goes on. On the other hand, the today function is brilliantly suited for circumstances where up-to-the-minute accuracy is critical, or when your data relies on the current date dynamically adjusting as things change. To summarize, both methods offer unique advantages. The keyboard shortcut delivers a fixed date that is particularly useful as a timestamp, whereas the today function provides dynamic, ever-current date entries that can support a wide range of practical tasks. Whether you need a static record or a constantly updating field, Google Sheets has you covered. I hope this walkthrough of entering dates in Google Sheets has been helpful for you. Be sure to choose the method that best suits your particular needs and workflow. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching. Happy spreadsheeting!